Hi, fellow gardeners. It's that time of year again. The leaves are falling. I bet some of you are raking them up, mowing them, and tossing them out. I have 160 trees, and I can tell you, I'm not wasting this resource that way, not when my garden needs it. Today, I'm going to show you how these simple leaves, which we call in gardening circles garden gold, can be turned into leaf mold, which is a very valuable resource for your garden next year. Behind me right here on my right is my leaf mold pile from 2 years ago. Yes, 2 years. It used to stand about 6 feet tall. Now it's about 2 to 2.5 feet tall and is ready to be used. I am so excited to put this on my garden this fall.
Okay, so what exactly is leaf mold? And no, it's not some weird science experiment gone wrong.
Leaf mold is what you get when leaves break down very slowly over time. It's really quite different from regular compost.
Traditional compost is like a hot, fast garden party where bacteria break everything down quickly. Leaf mold, that's more of a slow jam. It's a fungal process that happens nice and easy, usually taking 6 to 12 months. See the difference? Compost is darker, more uniform. Leaf mold keeps a bit more structure. It's fluffy, earthy, and smells like a forest floor, which, fun fact, is exactly what it is. So why should you care? Well, buckle up, because leaf mold is basically a superhero for your garden. Water retention. This stuff is like a sponge. Leaf mold can hold up to 500% of its weight in water. That means less watering for you and happier plants during dry spells. Your water bill will thank you. Soil structure. Heavy clay soil? Sandy soil that won't hold moisture? Leaf mold improves both. It breaks up clay and helps sandy soil retain water and nutrients. It's free fertilizer. Well, soil conditioner technically, but who's counting? You're literally making premium soil amendment from something most people pay to have hauled away. And here's my favorite part. It's basically zero effort. Unlike regular compost, you don't need to turn it, monitor temperatures, or balance ratios. You just let nature do its thing. So here's what I want you to do right now, and I mean literally as soon as you finish watching this video. Stop throwing away your leaves. Start collecting them. Rake them up, grab them from your neighbors. They'll think you're weird, but who cares? Even grab bags of leaves from the curb if your city does leaf collection.
Yes, I have been known to take my tarp out on the street and get my neighbors' leaves that they've left out there to be picked up. They think it's crazy and they roll their eyes until they get the free produce the next year.
Even with my 160 trees, I still collect leaf bags from my friends around the city and put them on my garden plots, especially the garlic that needs to be cuddled for winter. Those leaves are your future garden success story. In the next video, I'm going to show you 2 super simple methods for making your own leaf mold. One requires literally just a trash bag, and the other takes about 20 minutes to set up and will serve you for years. Until then, start your leaf collection. And hey, if your neighbors give you strange looks when you're hoarding leaves like some kind of autumn squirrel, just send them this video.
See you next time on Almost 2 Acres. Until then, let's get growing compost from leaves so next year we can grow other things.